everybody, this is Chef Harpal and it's been long that I have not done videos in English and everybody's requesting me to do videos in English. Yes, why not? Okay, so this is a special series for all of you. This is a barbecue series and I'm going to show you how to cook Chutney chicken tikka. What we need is 2 breasts of chicken. This should be good enough for 2 people, but if you see in chicken internationally, the breasts are quite large, so could be enough for 2. But this one is just about good for 1 portion of Chutney chicken tikka. So first what I'm going to do is take 2 breasts of chicken, okay, and cut them. This is the way you cut them, okay. You saw closely how I cut the chicken. It's not straight. Internationally also, when you get chicken breast, they're quite large. You should not cut them straight, okay. You should cut them in a slant and that is what gives you the softness. Otherwise, it remains hard. So when you cut, you get a larger piece and it is softer when you cook. So I've taken 2 chicken breasts and let me put them here in a bowl. 1 quarters, I'm using 1 juice of lime. So little bit of salt, okay, about a 1/4 teaspoon, okay. Ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon, and black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon to this, okay. So having done this, mix this up. So this is ready now. Keep this aside for about 20 to 30 minutes. So as the chicken is kept aside for marination, we need to prepare the second bit of it. Now for the second bit, I need a frying pan to which I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. To this, okay, carom seeds, 1/4 teaspoon, and 1 tablespoon of gram flour, basic. That's about it. And this I'm going to saute on low flame, okay, for about a minute. As you get the nutty texture, then remove this. The gram flour should not brown, okay. While it is getting sauteed, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. This is done. Remove this. Now what's going to happen is the turmeric brightens up the color of gram flour and the end product also brightens up. Leave this aside to cool down, okay. In the meantime, I'll show you, since we are doing Chutney chicken tikka, you need green chutney. Now green chutney, I have done various kinds on my YouTube channel. You can follow them. Now to this chicken, which has been lying for about 20 minutes plus, we're going to add the next few things to this. Black salt, okay, 1/4 teaspoon. Dried methi, you get in the market. Kasuri methi, 1/2 teaspoon. Garam masala powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, that's about it. Into this mixture, and 3 tablespoons of chutney. And to this chicken, I'm going to add gram flour, okay. The next step is add yogurt, just about 2 tablespoons, not more than that, okay. And since you have added salt initially in the chicken and we also added black salt, you need to check salt after you've kind of mixed it up. If you require, then you can add a little bit more, okay. Generally not required according to me, because we've added in the first marinade and the second marinade black salt. Black salt because it gives that punch to the chicken. So you see the chicken is almost ready because of the turmeric. The brightness is what you see. Now the last bit to this, what I'm going to show you is you need to add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil raw. Now this is what the trick is, and this is what will give you that flavor you're looking for restaurant style. These are little tricks that I keep teaching you. So the chicken is now ready. Keep it for an hour minimum to get the best results, and then you can barbecue it or put it in the oven. If you don't have any of these, you can do it in a frying pan straight away. So I'll keep it aside for an hour and then we'll barbecue. I have preheated the oven for about 10 minutes. Okay, that's important, at 240 degrees. So now the oven is ready, the chicken is ready. It smells nice. You get the flavor of chutney, which is coriander, mint, ginger. You also get the tanginess flavor as you smell. The best part is you should get that little smell of mustard oil, which is raw, not heated. Once again, I'm telling you, raw, not heated. Okay, this is ready and my oven is ready. Let me take out the tray. Oven preheated at 240. Okay, that's when you get a good color of the chicken. Regular oil to brush up your tray here. Now you can either put the chicken directly in here or you can skewer it. Okay, I've got these skewers. You can skewer it here. So now the chicken is ready, as you see. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of the marinade on top. Keep a little bit of the marinade in the bowl. As you turn the chicken around, then you need to put it again on top. Okay, so that'll give you a good flavor. Now this chicken is not going to take more than 6 to 8 minutes. So between 3 to 4 minutes, you turn it around and then smear the marinade again on the chicken, put it back and then grill it properly. Okay, maximum. But that 6 to 8 minutes is only when you have the oven preheated for minimum 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so the oven is ready here. Now midway, like I said, somewhere around 4 minutes, we need to take out the chicken. At this point of time, you need to turn the chicken around. Put the rest of the marinade. I have not thrown the bowl so that you see that whatever marinade is there, that needs to go on top. Little bit of oil. Okay, so now this is almost there. So this needs to go back to the oven for not more than 3 to 4 minutes and it should be ready. Because I've used chicken breast and the way I've cut this chicken, it takes about 6 to 8 minutes. If you cut the chicken breast straight, it takes a little longer. If you take chicken legs, it takes a little more longer. If you are in US, America or the Western world where the chicken breasts are very thick, that probably will take 10 to 12 minutes. Remember, cutting is very important. This inside the oven now. So while the chicken is almost there, let me do my plating. So for my plating, so I've got some cabbage, some tomatoes and onions. So I'll mix this up with a little bit of chaat masala and red chili powder. Okay, so some chaat masala, red chili powder, okay, quarter of a lemon. Squeeze this up, mix it up well, and that's the traditional salad. Okay, very desi, I would say, very Indian. Let's put this up here, and there goes the salad. Lemon, maybe some onion and tomato slices again. Okay, fresh coriander leaf in here, a little bit of more freshness. Or maybe bell peppers, whatever you get. So the plating is ready and the chicken is also ready. Wow, look at this. Amazing. Beautiful. Take some help. Beautiful. So that's it. Take this bit of chutney which is there. You can probably use it as the dip. Okay, so you can use this as a dip. It's got lovely taste, and this I've kept for myself. Wow. Chutney chicken tikka. So now, if you have to do barbecue in your outside bar or your courtyard, you can go and do it. For people living across in India, we have small kitchens. We don't have courtyard barbecues, so you can do it in your kitchens. But this is lip smacking, and you will enjoy every bit of it. And I'm going to enjoy my bit of it. This is my bit of chicken. There it goes. Wow. See, it's nice and tender. Don't overcook it because it's going to get dried. Generally, people sprinkle chaat masala. Don't do it unless you've tasted the chicken. Sometimes it increases the salt and it becomes salty. So don't do it. This is absolutely right. Amazingly done. And remember, I have not put salt twice. I put it once. Once was plain salt. The second time I did black salt. Okay, so the regular table salt was not put the second time. That's also very important for you to remember. So go ahead and try the chutney chicken tikka. More videos on barbecue coming in English just for you. I'm enjoying this.